Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Last time we discussed about some reactions of alkenes. In this video we want to talk about alkenes, how they react, some important chemical reactions of alkenes. Alkenes are unsaturated hydrocarbons. Why they are unsaturated? Because they have a double bond in them. This double bond makes them unsaturated compounds. Also, as compared to alkenes, alkenes are more reactive. Okay, the alkanes are also called the saturated hydrocarbons. Alkanes are saturated ones because they have carbon carbon single bond. As compared to alkenes are more reactive. And also these alkanes, they cannot do addition, no addition reaction. But alkenes, they can do addition. Addition reaction is possible because they have a double bond. When you break the double bond, you can perform addition. Now, there is a very famous test for alkenes. This test is called bromine water test. This test is used to check the presence of a double bond. It's called bromine water test. In this test, what you do, you take a sample of alkene and you react it with bromine. Bromine color is brown. Okay, this is bromine in aqueous form, it is brown color. If what happens, if the solution becomes colorless, the solution becomes colorless, we say this is what, this is a unsaturated hydrocarbon, this is an alkene. How it is possible? Like this is the visual. You see, this is brown color solution. If the reaction goes on and becomes colorless, it means there is a presence of a double bond. Okay, this test is called test for unsaturation. Like this is called test for unsaturation. This is a very important question. It can come in exam like, what is the test of unsaturation? One test is called bromine water test. There is one more test that you can check. Most important one is test of unsaturation is the bromine water test. Moving forward, let us talk about some important reactions. One of the important reactions is called hydrogenation. This reaction is very important in food industry. Hydrogenation. Hydrogenation means addition of hydrogen. When in alkene hydrogen is added, this reaction is called hydrogenation. For example, you have an alkene which is like, for example, ethene. What you do, you add hydrogen to it. You can add it in the presence of nickel catalyst, and if you keep temperature around 150 degrees centigrade, this becomes ethane. Like the double bond breaks. What is the structure? If you look at the structure, carbon double bond with carbon, and you have two hydrogens here, two hydrogens here. In the presence of this catalyst, what happens? This double bond breaks. When this double bond breaks, there is a position now. Double bond is broken. Now to get stable, what happens? One hydrogen comes here, one hydrogen comes here, and becomes an alkene. So how you can convert alkenes to alkanes? By hydrogenation reaction. Okay, this is very important in food industry to convert unsaturated fats to saturated fats. This reaction can be used. Another important reaction which alkenes do is called halogenation. Like hydrogenation is called addition of hydrogen, same way halogenation is called addition of halogen. Like take an alkene, for example, let's take butene. We have carbon bonded with carbon, double bond with carbon, double bond with carbon. Put the hydrogens, it's like 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is hydrogen. I normally don't put these hydrogens. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hydrogens. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hydrogens. And here again we have 3. If you draw like this, you will never make a mistake. If you want how I draw this, you want details, you should look at the previous videos. Now, addition of halogen. Take an halogen, for example, Br2. You can take chlorine, you can take bromine, etc. No problem in that. Now what will happen? Again, you see the double bond. This double bond is the reason behind the addition reaction. The double bond will break and there will be a position here. In that position, we can connect what? We can connect the halogen. This is butene. Now if you see what will happen, let's draw first the other one. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can take these hydrogens, like these are hydrogens there. This double bond breaks now. When this double bond breaks, one bromine connects here, one bromine connects here, and these are all hydrogens. This is addition of halogen, so that's why it is called halogenation. And what will be the name? You can call it 2,3-dibromo. And what's the longest chain? Butane, so butane. If you have problems in writing this name, you have to go back to the previous videos. It is very good if you see all the videos together, so that you will develop a concept which is present in the course for organic chemistry, and you will enjoy it. Another important reaction which alkenes do is called polymerization. Polymerization means connection. One connects with another, and this sequence can go on. For example, if you want to write a journal reaction, it's like n can be any number, n number of ethenes you have. It can connect, the double bond will break, and the sequence can continue. Like this is how you express it in equation form. And for example, if I want to show alone, it's called a monomer. Like if I have one alkene alone, single alkene, I have carbon double bond with carbon, I have hydrogen here, hydrogen here, hydrogen here. This is ethene. It's alone, like it's single, it's called monomer. It's a monomer. Now what you do, break the double bond. Right? Now when this double bond is broken, you have a space. Here connect one more alkene. Here connect one more alkene. And continue this. Break the double bond, connect one more alkene. Break the double bond, connect one more alkene. Then it becomes what? It becomes a polymer. You can make it as long as possible you want. For example, here, see, these are monomers. These are monomers of alkenes. They are alone. 2 carbons, so this is ethene. They are alone. What we do, we break the double bonds. Here the double bond breaks and we can connect them. Double bond breaks, we connect them. Double bond break connects them. When they are connected, it's like a polymer. Monomers combine and it becomes polymer. These are very important reactions in petrochemical industries also, petrochemical, and also in plastic industries. These reactions are very famous. These were some reactions which were discussed in the course of IB. Moving forward, in the next video, we will talk about alcohols. Some important reactions of alcohols we'll talk about in the coming video. Thank you so much for your time. I request, if you have not watched the old videos, watch them in the sequence so you understand it better. Thank you so much. Have a good day.